Saltney, Barnardo's charity shop, cancer charity shop, big white goods, presents for Valentine's Day and Christmas, birthdays, and just electrical equipment, especially in Barnardo's, and classical books in Roy someone or other Castle charity shop. They're absolute gems. They're the huge shops, and people should give their things here and come and buy things. I mean, look at those. For children, they have toys, they have books, games, videos, CDs. Right opposite Asda's, which is a bit, well, forget about that. It's not Tesco's, is it? Well, oh, look at that lovely leopard thing. See, look at that. See, you get some real things here, and they're full at the moment, but they bring things out at special occasions. Look at those. Oh, pampas grass isn't for sale there, but they have all sorts here. I love coming here. I mean, you get kitchenware, you got chairs, electrical goods. The books, as I say, are 5 for £2. Oh, it's just wonderful place. Oh, and they have setees. Yes, you can even get yourself setees. Here are all the videos. They have brand new ones in here. Here. Even classic seed LPs, that's the word. Yes. Oh, there's a child there. Children's books galore. I mean, look at that little thing. They have really special Scottish 60 classics. Whatever. Oh, look at that little handbag. Oh, that's just lovely, isn't it? But I have so many. That's a lovely one. They have a lot of handbags here. Look at that. Oh, that is that is such a special one-off. And look at the good state of them. People are so generous when they give. Oh, you've got beds and shoes and little kids' toys. Look at that. Oh, yes. Look at the beds. Yes, there we go. This is the Roy. I've walked in the wrong place, have I? Oh, yes, I'm in the Roy Castle. Well, I do like the books here. I mean, you know, pudding and chips, and there we go. You get shell book guides doing Britain, Tasmania. Oh la la. Look at that. Oh, that one's sold. Well, you get such classics. Yeah, I'm in the Roy Castle cancer charity shop here. I have to go next door to get Barnardo's ones. I get so confused. Oh. Right, now, Barnardo's, right next to a plumbing wholesale and fitters next door up there. Oh, someone's come on their bike. That's ecological. Oh, it's got flowers. And look at baby football, too, accessories. And there we go, you get £1.50 each for handbags. Ladies and men's trousers, 2 for £1. Oh, Marilyn Monroe even. Look at those shoes. Oh, the clothing, you can pick up all sorts. Plenty shoes. This is Barnardo's, yes. Classic, yes. John Denver. Volunteer here. This is the books. I love that. Oh, Che Guevara. A revolutionary knife. Well, everyone knows Che Guevara. 5 books for £2, and TVs. Oh, look at all that stuff. Oh, a woofer. I usually have mine in here, but I can't have my hands with. Look at that kettle, a Venetian kettle. Oh, and a bread makers. Oh, yeah, I got my bread makers from here. That's a little fridge. You can buy everything. Ski electrics. Oh, a chocolate fountain. Oh, la la. Oh, I say, if you party time. Yes. Oh. Excuse me. Oh, it's. You get tombolas. Oh, and needlewear, and you've got sewing things, and then the kitchenware. I do like this area. This area is very good always. The Windsor range. Oh, yes. Cups. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, lovely stuff. Well, it all goes to good causes. Oh, look at that hippo. I saw him yesterday. Hello, hippo. Puzzles. Oh, yeah. Always great to entertain children. And here is 10 kids' books for £2. I mean, look at that. Oxford Junior Thesaurus. Oh, yes, you get a better class of person that gives the charity shops, you see. Yes. Oh, look at that. January sale, all donated toys half price. Oh, I think those are Barbies, like in the films. Oh, la 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 la. And then you get all sorts of other jungle sticks and... you don't want any farmyard animals, they get killed. Oh, oh dear, dear. Oh, look at that vase. Oh, that's a lovely one, isn't it? Trays, plates. Oh, yes, clothing. Sale on January. Sale on. Clothes on these rails, only 50p. Gosh. Cambridge Helix. Mathematical instruments. What's that one? Oh, I don't know. Oh, this. Oh, no. They're mood boosters. Oh, yes. They're very good on sewing and... what are they? Not recipes. What do you have for sewing? Cushion. Look at all those cushions. I mean, there you could never do with. Oh, here you are again, Woofer. He is a big one, isn't he?
Yes,
he's enormous.
11 months old.
Hey?
11 months.
Well, that's...
Not 11 months.
I've never seen such a big one. Hello, Woof Woof. Yeah, can I pet you? Yes. Oh, I say, you're excited in here. I usually have my dog in here. They love it. That's very good, the harness. They're much better on their necks.
Yeah, it's better for them.
Yes.
No, you would have found them one.
Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, he's a little thing. Look at all these things. Oh, yes, look at that. Oh, you got coats. Look at that. I mean, you know, you could keep warm forever. Oh, that's a nice thing. But look at that, a baby foot. I saw that the other day. Calendars. Yes, blowing tubes. Wrap up warm scarves, only £1 each. Purses. Winter hats. What's that? Oh, it's a musical. Oh, isn't that pretty? I'm not sure what country, but anyway. Oh, de-dum. There we go. Donation centre here. Barnardo's. Books. Everything. Flowers. Everything.